1,000 rubles. A round of applause, please. Again, I want to solicit, if you are a member of Igbo community, you are an host here. Don't go for food yet. Allow our visitors to eat first. Give way for our visitors first. Give way for our visitors to eat first. Children and national clusters go and eat. All members of the community, please.